Hello, I am Arush Koda, and this is my project event management system using Laravel framework. This system helps event organizers invite guests and track who will attend using RSVP emails so that the organizers can uh, deal well with the logistics of the events. So right now I am logged in as a organizer. So here I can see the events and guess. Firstly, I would like to these are previously created events. I would create now create a event. Let's create an event by name LaraCon 2025. Uh, Developers from all over the world. Let's pick any date, 30, and pick any time. Okay, so pick location as California and maximum guests as 2000. Right now, event is created, and here in the guest tab, we can add new guests like Rahul Dua at the rate. Here these many guests are added, so whenever I uh, like to invite new guests, I would just click on these view details, and here the detail of event is coming, and right now we have not sent any mail to any of the guests. So here it is being seen that zero have accepted, zero declined, pending maybe. So to send emails, we will just click on manage guests, and to invite we can search as well, but we would invite them manually by clicking here. So I would invite this guest. When I click on this button, automatically event for that email for that event would be sent to that guest. So let's see, has the email came or not. Yes, here it is. Hello Arush Koda, you have been invited to an event. Please log in to this link to accept invitation. So let's try to accept the invitation. Uh, Email was arushkora0906 at the rate gmail.com. So by clicking RSVPs, we can select here what to do, like accept. Yeah, we have accepted it. uh, to see it on organizer side, we can just click on events, and we invited for this annual tech conference. Yeah, right, we can see here that one user has accepted and his name is being shown here. So uh, so this is most of the project. Like we can also edit the event, if the location is being changed, or or time is being changed, we can hassle-free update this event. Uh, After that, we can also see the guests, and for this guest we accepted. By viewing, we can see that this guest has this annual tech conference event. Now, if we want to check the logistics, we can come back to dashboard, and we can see that total events are 4, and all are active. One has confirmed RSVPs that he, as we saw earlier, that he has accepted it, and these are the upcoming events. Yeah, this is it for the website structure. Now coming to the code part, we can just go to VS Code, and this is all the codes for this project. Right here we can see the controllers. As I saw, as you saw earlier, that there was dashboard in which we can count total events, active events, total guests, pending RSVPs, and also these stats as we saw here. Uh, yeah, this is it for dashboard controller. And in event controller, I am just talking about this page. We can also come from here. Yeah, these all the events are being showed by index tab, and from this the event can be created, and also for storing the data of the events, and making them show all the details of the event. These all requests are being made, and also to edit and update the events. These all the uh, constraints are written here, and so that user enters right data. If the if we don't input the correct data, the error would be thrown. Yeah, and for the guest controller part, you can see all the pages, all the guests, and row by row, and you can validate the name, email, phone, and notes for it. And for profile controller, all the same part, just password, and validation for the password is different from other parts. And coming to RSVP controller, these all RSVP guests who have accepted the invitation or not are being seen here. So this RSVP colon colon with command is done over here. Yeah, and now coming to the email functionality. For that logic, we can come over here in mail folder and event invitation. So here subject is being written in the envelope, and this is default constructor. All the variables and guest name and event name is being assigned over here, and all the content for the email, like including subject, mail, and description, all is written over here. And talking about routes, it is in this web.php file. We are basically we have linked all the routes, so we don't have to pay much attention to that, as they are connected from one page to another from hyperlinks. Uh, but in the backend part, we can see over here that in the like route path we can see the welcome page, and in the slash dashboard we can uh, see the dashboard page, and it is being assigned the auth middleware, and it is given dashboard as the name route. Also, talking about middleware part, these all resources from events, guests, RSVPs are assigned this auth middleware. So basically, what these root resource do, that it assigns all the seven operations of the database, like indexing, update, destroy, view, edit, and so on. Like it, by simply writing root colon colon resource, we can give them all the routes for the seven events, and this is the predefined functions for it, and we can remember that part from the Laravel documentations. Also, we can see over here that when we insert the event name, we just call these parameters uh, as it contains route parameters, and also they have been assigned name routes. Okay, and yeah, all the get post requests are assigned over here. I'm not gonna like talk much because of less time, and so like talking about the basic views, we can uh, we can see over here app layout, and for the components part there are app layout and guest layout. And talking about migrations which we have done in MySQL, all are this, as we have assigned ID foreign key for this type of datas, and we have assigned unique ID for the event ID and guest ID. Yeah, and this is it. So main problem we have solved is that the organizers can uh, organizers will be much prepared beforehand when they would send RSVP emails to the guests, so that they can make arrangement for that much guests only which have accepted the invitation, uh, and this would uh, make them do much better logistic analysis, and would also like stay in budget. This is it. Thank you, and this was my project. Okay, thank you. And in future, I would like to add future features like QR codes for guests, and also allow organizers to develop RSVP lists.